onwards, we are going to start the hands-on practice from today onwards. Okay, so for that we need to create the free trial account that I will show you in the next video. From today, what we are going to see in this video is we will just go through the what are the GCP products are there, what are the pricing is there, how to calculate the pricing, and now just a brief introduction. It means brief idea about the GCP portal we will see. Okay. Now, in the Chrome, what we need to do is we need to search the Google Cloud as your search. Now, here you are going to get the Google Cloud platform. Okay, here you are going to get the Google Cloud platform. Here, what you need to do is first, please click on the Google Cloud platform hyperlink. After clicking here, if you see, there are many options are available in the top, right? Overview, solutions, products, pricing, and resources. Like this, you have different types of options are there. It means different type of tabs are there. For example, if you go to the products, if you go to the products, here left side you can see there are different categories are there. Okay, these are the different categories which the GCP is going to provide you. For example, if you go with the compute category, in this compute category you have all these are the different services it is going to provide. What in the middle of the website it is going to show, no, sorry, the middle of the web page, it means the compute engine, the app engine, the cloud GPUs, all these are different services which is going to provided by the GCP under the category of compute. Okay, there is a one more category called containers. Next, here also you have different type of services which you are going to get it from the GCP. So like this, you have different categories are there. So in these different categories, you have different services are there. For example, if you go with the migration, here different services, mixed reality, networking, operations. See, all these are the different services are there which the GCP is going to provide you. Okay, so now after seeing the products, if you see the pricing, if you see the pricing, it is important thing which you have to know. In this pricing, here you have to observe everything clearly what they have mentioned. Okay, here if you see in the pricing, if you want to calculate any pricing, how much price it is going to cost. Okay, you can go with the price calculator. If you see here, you have the price calculator. If you want to calculate, so you can go with the price calculating. In this, what you can do is you can calculate your price. Okay, for example, let us take roughly, I'm going to calculate. All these calculations are no need for the beginners. For your understanding purpose, I'm going to tell that how the GCP is going to provide their environment. Okay. Now, if you see here, if you want to select, for example, here, if you want to select any one of the currency type, if you want to go with the US dollars, you can go with the US dollars. It means the pricing is going to show in the form of dollars. Okay, for example, if I'm going to keep the US dollars. So in this, what I'm trying to do is I want to do some estimation, how much estimation I'm going to get. Okay, if I want that, click on the add estimation. So for example, if I want any compute engine, I'm going with the compute engine. If you see here, let us take, I want in the service as type like instance as there I am going. So next, if I want how many instance I want, means how many virtual machines I want. Let us take, I want two instance I want. Okay, how much time you want means you can select the times. For example, let us take, I'm going to take it for 3 days I'm going to take, and a month as per month I've kept how much per month it is going to do. Or for example, I'll take 30 days I need. So per month I'm going to calculate. Now if you see here, while I'm typing anything here, you can observe what I'm typing is, for example, if I take 25, you can observe here the charges are displaying here. It means the charges are displaying here. For example, if I change here to 1 day, it is going to change the pricing, right? Here it is going to change the pricing. See, not only the instance you are selecting, many options are there which is going to affect your charges. For example, here I'm taking only one virtual machine with the, I'm going to take the days as 20 days I'm going to take. So if you go here, operating system, let us take in my virtual machine, I want Ubuntu Pro. I want, let us take, I want Ubuntu Pro operating system. While I am selecting any option, you can observe the pricing. Okay, so next regular type I have kept. So machine family I'm kept general purposes. Normally for your understanding purpose of the pricing, I am keeping all these as the default. Okay, how many virtual CPUs I want? For example, I want virtual CPUs 10, sorry, 20 I want, I have kept with amount of memory like 70 GB I have kept to you. So like this I've kept. If any boot disk is needed, 10 GB I have mentioned here, 10 GB is there. So local no zero I have kept. Here the region also plays very major role. I'll show you later. So let us take up to now we are going to keep the US central as I've keep the region. Okay, next what I'm going to do is, if you see the estimation cost, what it is going to do is it is going to show you 493 by, that means $493 per month it is going to show you. For example, if I change the region, though, the cost is going to affect based upon the regions also. For example, if I change the region to the Los Angeles, now see the pricing effect, it is going to affect the price also. The region also one of the factor in the pricing concept. Okay, why I'm showing all these things is, if you required any further estimations, it means after a completion of your practicing in the GCP, when you are working in the IT industry, then if you want to calculate any pricing of the resources, then you can go with this estimated pricing concept. Okay, next you have the resources. What is the next tab? Is a resource tab. Coming to the resource tab, here you can see what are the resources are there that you can see here. So you can go with the Google Cloud certifications are also is there. You can go with the Google certifications also. Next point what you need to know is the Google Cloud free program trail. How much they are going to provide? They are providing you a $300 for 90 days. Okay. For example, if you take in the Indian rupee, $300, how much it is going to cost? Nearly it is going to cost 25,000, right? Approximately it is going to, for example, here I'm going to keep $300. Nearly you are going to get 25,000 rupees in Indian currency. It means they are going to provide you approximately 25,000 free credits. Okay, to practice all the services which is GCP is going to offer under the free trial. Okay, not all the services, only the free trial services are there. Okay, now if you see the free trial products, why I am telling this much of thing in this video is regarding the GCP portal. It is very important to see all these aspects, because here if you take Python, there the money will be won't charged. If you write the code for n number of times, or if you write the code for the 1,000 lines, 2,000 lines, there the Python is not charging anything, right? If you use the resource more in the Python, then there will be a no charge. But when you come to the these cloud platforms, the charges are going to charge. Now, what is happening here? Here, all your debit card and the credit card are going to attach it to your GCP portal. While you are creating your free trial, that time you need to give your credit card or debit card details. That is the important thing you have to remember. If you cross any free limit, it means, for example, one resource is there. If that particular resource is not available, if it is going to show you that you want to purchase, you forgot to see all the disclaimers and you hit everything okay. But finally what happened is, once this free trial is going to completed, automatically the billing is going to charge from your debit card or credit card. Okay, that you have to remember. So when you come to the free tier products, what are the products I can use under the free tier? It means here you have one of the hyperlink called free usage limit. If you click on this free usage limit, it is going to tell that what are the limitations you need to observe before going to use the resources. For example, if you see here, as I told here, 90 days, it is going to give you the free trial, which is not affecting your debit card and the credit card. Okay. Here, the next one, what you have to see is, so like this, it is going to show you that how much cost it is going to charge for the resource. So here it is going to show $33, $55, $120. It is going to show. So like this, it is going to show the cost, how much it is going to, this how much charge it is going to charge. So when this free trial ends, so for example, if you take all your credits were over 300 credits, $300 you have successfully completed. Now what is going to happen is, automatically the free trial is going to end. Or there is a one more case called after 90 days, even if you have the $300, if you completed the 90 days after opening your free trial, automatically after completion of 90 days, it is going to close your free trial also. Okay. Or the next important thing what you need to remember is, if you want to continue the usage of the Google Cloud, if you want to practice more after completion of your free trial account, that time you can go with the activating your account full. But now what is going to happen is, now in the free trial, you are going to activate your account partially, not completely. When after your completion of all your free trials, if you want to practice more or if you want to work with the GCP, then you need to activate your account fully. Okay, there you can you are going to give all the details. So many of them are doubt that, sir, is there any auto activation is there? No, there is no any auto activation is there. Manually, you need to activate your account fully. Okay, so that is the important thing you can remember. And the next one is all the resources which you are created while the trial time. If you forget to stop any resource, no issue. Once the free trial is completed, everything will be stopped. Okay, the next one is if you have any data in your portal, it means in your GCP, all the data also will be deleted once the free trial is going, once the free trial ends. Okay, the next one is if you want to cancel any of the free trial, you can also cancel by seeing these steps which they have given. So why I'm showing all this document and why I'm telling all these things is this is an important thing while you're going with the cloud. Why? Because as I told that Python won't charge any amount. If you go with the any HTML, it won't charge any amount. But when you come to the cloud environments, when you're going with the cloud courses, mandatory you have to go to see all the resources which is going to charge the amount. So that's why I'm telling you to check all these documents before proceeding your resources, which you are going to use the resources. So if you see, so if you see here the free tier, here you have the free tier usage is there, right? Here the free tier usage, you have to be very conscious on this. Why I'm putting very stress on this point is whatever we have seen up to now is okay. But this point is very particularly important. Why? Because you should not cross the limit while you are using the resources. You should be within the limits while you are using the free tier account. So, for example, if you see any one of the resources, it means if you take any BigQuery, let us take. If you take BigQuery, you have the limit that 1 TB of querying per month. You have permitted only for 1 TB of querying per month. You should not cross 1 TB. Okay, here the BigQuery is going to provide you 10 GB of storage. It means you can store the 10 GB of data in your BigQuery. Okay, if you cross the limit, it is going to show you the alert that you are going to charge the amount. If you are continuously, it means you are continuously increasing 11 GB to 12 GB like that, then nobody is going to save you that all the amount is going to charge from your credit card or debit card. That you have to remember. That's why I'm telling you, you have to be conscious with these resources. For example, if you are practicing any of the resource, come here and check what is your limitation and go there and use that resources before knowing any, it means before knowing the limitations, you should not go into the practice. So it is not possible to explain all the resources in one video. So please go through this document clearly and then start practicing what you want to practice. Okay, up to now we have seen what are the pricing estimate, how to calculate the estimation cost we have seen, and we have seen the one of the important documentation which is given by the Google Cloud. Okay, that you have to see mandatory. Okay, thank you for watching this video.